What up, ninjas? So, out here doing a little flame weeding in my blueberry patch, mainly because some of this crap has seeds on it, and unless you put a pre-emergent for next year, if you go and weed eat this, it's going to throw the seeds everywhere. So what I do is I come in here and try to burn all the seed heads off with my weed burner, because I try to do the best I can to be as most organic as I can be. So anyways, I come in here and I burn off the seed heads with this, and then I'll come back and weed eat it down, and then I'll come back and rake all this stuff up in a pile and then burn it, and hopefully I'll be able to go back over the ground and re-cook the ground and get rid of all this weeds. Now this is not usually normally like this. Usually it looks like that over there, but because I was sick with COVID, yeah, it got out of hand. So I'm going over. I'm still blooming though. Some of my cantaloupe and watermelon still blooming. But we got a freeze warning tonight, so probably not be there tomorrow. But anyways, cool little flame weeder. It's not the backpack version, but gets the job done. It's easy to maneuver, carry around. Does the job. My neighbor asked me, he's like, "Where the hell did you get that at?" He's like, "That's not the flamethrower." I was like, "No, that's not the flamethrower. The flamethrower is just to play around with, burn big swaths of shit in the ground." So anyways, I just figured I'd show you guys and gals this. It's a pretty cool method, even though propane's probably going to go up. So anyways, that's it. Propane bottle. I forget the name of the damn thing. It's some kind of flame torch, dragon torch. But anyways, the goal is here just not to burn the weeds down, but burn the seed heads, and then cut it down with a weed eater, and not scatter the seed heads, because you don't want these damn weeds seeding up your blueberry patch, right? So anyways, that's it. That's all I want to say. A little winter maintenance. I guess that's preventive maintenance too. I guess I'll throw it in the preventive maintenance section. Anyways, give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs down, bitch most complaints. Leave them in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. Sip by Godspeed. Have a great day. Peace.